Shmai, I'm Vic Smith. I'm a service designer at the Centre for Digital Public Services. Oh, exciting. We've got. So what is a service designer and why is that role important? Well, service design is about making sure that all of the components of a service is designed to make sure that it's meeting the needs of the users that are using that service. So right from when they first come into that service right until the end. Alongside that, as a service designer, we're also considering the goals that the service provider needs to reach as well as part of that service, and also any policy goals that government have as well to make sure that that service is contributing to that too. So why is service design important? Well, everybody needs to use public services and often don't have a choice, and really well designed public services can help people to be fitter and healthier, to improve their lives, for example. But services that are poorly designed can be incredibly frustrating to use. They can actually be really unsafe. They can lead to poor outcomes for the general population. They can increase inequalities. So it's really important that when we're designing public services, that we're making sure that they meet the needs of all of the people that are using them.